where we're going with this is going to blow your mind, but bear with me. When it comes to any business setup, you often see that there's a lot of people running ads. There's a lot of businesses running advertising videos on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, whatever the case is, and they're doing it successfully. Because if you've been seeing the same ad running for a year, that probably means that whoever's running this ad is making money off of it. In this video, we're going to be talking about how you can find a winning business model, funnel hack it, and make it your own. Here's the thing. Whenever I meet with any one of my clients who want to start a business or who have a business and they want to grow it further, the first thing that I try to establish with them is that you guys don't need to recreate the wheel. If you're sitting in a position and you're thinking, I need to be as creative as I can be or as creative as anybody can be, I want to create a new business idea, I have a new idea for a product, new idea for a project. In most cases, this project or this product or this idea is not going to come to life and it's going to end up failing. Not because you don't know how to execute, not because you're not good at what you do, not because you don't have a great idea. It's simply because there's not enough data in the market to tell you if the idea is going to work well or not. So if you're an entrepreneur, you're still starting off, you don't have a business yet, or you have a business that's making you less than $20,000 a month, you need to stop trying to get creative and you need to start working on recreating whatever it is that already works. You don't want to recreate the wheel. You don't want to get original. Right now, you want to find whatever it is that works. You want to find whatever it is that works well, and you want to replicate that in your own fashion. Now, guys, I'm going to tell you this right here on camera. The first business models, the first 4 business models that I worked on, that I still work on to this day, that made me the most money throughout my career, throughout my professional career, were not my ideas. Those were business models that I heard somebody. The first model was Udemy online courses. I overheard a couple people in the University of Ottawa's library talking about it. And I was curious enough to be like, hey guys, what is it that you're talking about, a passive income? And they said, oh, we're working on an online course. And then I became friends with them for a little while and I learned from them how to do that. And then I went and I did my own thing. So all that to say is it's a lot easier for you guys to find something that works and replicate it. And I'm going to talk about exactly how to do this step by step in this video, from finding the ad to funnel hacking to basically replicating the idea, but making it your own. And if that's your first time watching my channel, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you leave a thumbs up so I can release more and more videos. And if that's not your first time visiting my channel and watching my videos, come on. It's about time that you give me a subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Now, without any further ado, let's cut to the chase and talk about how to build a successful business based on somebody else's business model. The first thing you want to do is you want to study the market that you're trying to get into. It is often said that the riches are in the niches. The riches are in the niches. You can't just have an idea, say, I want to sell cotton and I want to sell it to everybody in the world. If your target audience is the entire world, you have an issue. Your target audience is never the entire world. There is no company that ever operated and had the entire world as their target audience. The target audience is usually somebody, is a group of people, a congregation, a community of people that share similar interests. They have certain personality traits, certain characteristics towards their character, yada yada, buying behavior, interests, hobbies, whatever it is, things they love, things they hate. So you might be in the fitness industry. You might be in the health and wellness industry. You might be in the how to make money industry, the wealth industry. You might be in the spirituality industry. You might be in the yoga industry. Whatever the case is, you need to pick a niche. And that niche, you might be somebody who does not particularly have any particular interest in any niche, or you don't have an idea yet, you don't have a product. The best thing to do is pick a niche that you love. Even if you're not a personal trainer, maybe you love fitness and you go to the gym on a regular basis. Maybe you want to pick that as a niche. Maybe you're not into fitness. Maybe you are an accountant, but you go and you don't want to do something related to the accounting niche. But you go and you do yoga every day and you love yoga. Maybe you want to pick yoga as your niche, right? Bear with me. Where we're going with this is going to blow your mind, but bear with me. You want to pick your niche, and we're going to take 3 niches for the sake of the example, because I'm going to get you to try something and you're going to see for yourself how powerful the systems that I'm talking about really are. We're going to pick yoga, we're going to pick weight loss, and we're going to pick personal development, or let's say time management to be specific. People who are looking to time manage better. And you're going to go on Google, and you're going to search for 2 things. First, you're going to search for Facebook Ads Library. When you search for Facebook Ads Library, on the screen, I'm going to pop up a video that's going to show you where you have to go and what the Facebook Ads Library looks like. It looks something like this, and you're going to go on all countries, and you're going to pick all ads, all categories of ads. And then what you're going to do is you're going to type in yoga. Before you know it, tens of thousands of ads are going to pop up. You see, when Mr. Zuckerberg appeared in front of Congress for transparency issues and privacy issues with Facebook and Meta, Facebook was forced to create the Transparency Center, an ad library where anybody can see the ads that are running on Meta in real time. And if you type in yoga, or you type in weight loss, or you type in time management, you're going to find hundreds and thousands and tens of thousands and maybe more of people running ads. I wanted to quickly interrupt to say, guys, I built several 6, 7, and 8-figure businesses. If you want to see more similar videos and you're enjoying the content that I'm sharing with you, make sure you hit the thumbs up, takes 1 second, hit the subscribe button, leave a comment so I can create more and more similar videos to share with you all that information. Now, back to the video. Now, this is the first holy grail, that you guys get access to all the ads that million-dollar advertisers are running. If I was to come and show you the ad that wins and the funnel that wins and the product, you're 80% of the way there to creating a successful business. 80% of success in business is sales and marketing. And you can literally see in front of you their marketing system, and in a minute, we're going to see their sales system. And then you guys have everything you need to go make it your own. Do not copy paste. I'm not telling you, you can't even copy paste. There's a lot of copyright infringement that will take place in between. You want to get inspiration from people who are winning, from people who are doing it properly, and then you want to go do it your own way. The best way is your way. Keep that in mind. The best way is your way. So now you're seeing ads. You're going to see some ads that on top says active. And if you scroll down, you're going to see some ads that say inactive. The ads that are inactive, you don't want to look at those because people deactivated those ads because they probably don't work. Now you want to look at the ads that say active, and you want to look at the publishing dates, right? There are some ads that you see that were published 1 day ago, maybe 2 days ago, maybe a week ago. You don't want to look at those. Those ads are still in testing phase. You want to look for people who've been running ads for weeks or months and the ad is still active. So if you see, whether it's yoga related or weight loss related or time management related, you see somebody that's running an ad and they've been running the same ad for months and it's still active, it means that they're making money off of it. Because why would I spend $100 a day on an ad for months, spend $9K on an ad if it's not making me money, right? If the ad is not making me money, I'm just going to shut down the ad. I'm not going to keep running it. And that's why I told you not to look at the ads that are inactive. Number one. Number two, Google has the same transparency center. If you go on Google and you type in Google Transparency Center, you're going to see people who are running ads related to yoga sessions or time management or weight loss. And it works in a similar way to the ads library, to the Facebook or Meta ad library, but it's not as elaborate in my opinion. Meta has a better ad library for you to get inspiration. Now, with any niche that you go for, again, we're just doing right now a test with those three niches that we picked: yoga, weight loss, and time management. You want to click on one of the ads. And what you realize is once you click on one of the ads, it would actually redirect you to their sale funnel. Now, guys, a sale funnel is not a website. And a website is not a sale funnel. A website is like a brochure. A sale funnel is a website built to sell. And they're very different. I have another video that I'm going to be releasing talking about sales funnels. As soon as this video hits 500 likes, so make sure you leave a thumbs up. As soon as this video hits 500 likes, on top of this video right here, you're going to see a link for a video on how to create funnels effectively and how to create powerful funnels. That's coming from somebody who built several 2CC and 2CCX funnels, which means the funnels I built generated for some businesses over $1 million a year, for other businesses, for my clients' businesses, over $10 million a year. So keep that in mind. Make sure you leave a thumbs up, and as soon as the link pops up, go watch the video on how to create funnels, because I can't make this video too long and explain to you what funnels are and how they work. But bottom line is you're going to click on the ad and it's going to redirect you to their funnel. And now you can see the funnel. You can see what the website funnel is like, what the video is like, what are they talking about, what is the headline that they're using, what is the guarantee that they're offering, yada, yada, yada. Now this is 60% of the work. The remaining 40% is understanding how their sales system works. And you're going to say, okay, that I can't figure out. But in reality, yes, you can. All you need to do is go on their funnel and book an appointment or try to buy their product and see what is the process you go through. As soon as you sign up, you're going to see that you received an email from them saying, hey, we noticed that you just signed up. We wanted to welcome you. Now you have an idea of what the welcome email should look like. You try to buy, but you abandon the cart and you don't end up buying. And you're going to get another email saying, hey, we noticed that you didn't finish your checkout. Is there anything that we can help you with? How about this? Here's 50% off. Now you know that they're doing this for a reason, right? And so on and so forth. You book a call with them. Maybe you go on Contact Us, or you go to book a session with them to talk to them more about it, see what they're doing. And you get on a call, and they're going to try to sell you on their product or service. And what you want to do is you want to get as much information as possible from that call. Once you do this, you saw their ad, and their ad's been running for months. You saw their funnel, and now you heard their sales pitch, and you see their sales system. Now you understand how everything is working from A to Z. You do this again with another business, and again with another business. You do that with 3-4 businesses. Before you know it, you have an entire winning business model that you put together through those 4 business models that you explored through 4 different businesses. And all you need to do is get a little creative and make it your own.